Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, pretty steep correction for the markets today, and it was all led by Apple. So you move into Apple's earnings, a little bit of resistance here, just below 200, and of course I don't need to show you the correction that came today. The important thing to follow from here is, where is the bottom? Now, please don't hear that incorrectly. I don't actually mean to tell you where the bottom is, but the next strike that we need to give some thought to is 180, right? As you have these type of corrections and such a steep drop, not only do you have a fire line here, which is a level that I'm going to look to for support anytime it is tested from above, but you just have that next important option strike where a lot of the puts there will neutralize in a way. A lot of the money that has been made to the downside is usually emphasized at that point, and you can see options being taken off there start to cause some lift. So after a close like you've seen, it all seems basically imminent that you will get that drop, right? At some point it'll be tested. But then it just comes back to the question of, does it actually act as support, or do we get below it in a bigger way? I am initially watching it for support, but I am willing to be wrong on that. I just know it's going to be an important part of next week. So you've kind of had this really interesting polarizing thing here lately where names like Netflix and Tesla disappointed on earnings, Apple here as well, but then you had Google that did well. You have Meta that, even though it pulled back, 310 is still support, and then of course Amazon as well. So you've got this mix, right? It's not like everything is getting crushed. You have certain, pieces of these mega cap names that are still holding on, and that'll be what we have to watch next week. So I've been bullish on Amazon. I believe we have a target up here at 155, and those are the balances that we're going to try to find as, these names battle it out, and SPX tries to decide what it wants to do at 4,500. Based off the way we closed today, I've got to think 4,400 is possible. If there is something I'm not seeing right now, and we magically open above 4,500, well, then that'll change. And I think you can go back to buying the dip. But if that doesn't happen, open yourself up for that deeper correction, and I hope that helps you get prepared for next week's trade. You'll have a good weekend, and I hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.